Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 17 and 18. Intellect absorbed in that, their self being that, established in that, with that for their supreme goal, they go whence there is no return, their sins dispelled by knowledge.
Chapter 5, Shloka 17. Tad buddhayastataatmanaha tannishtas tatparayanaha gachanti apunaravrittim jnana nirduta kalmashaha.
Sages look with an equal eye upon a Brahmana endowed with learning and humility, on a cow, on an elephant, and even on a dog and an outcast.
Chapter 5, Shloka 18. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shunischaiva Shvapakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha.
Chapter 5, Shloka 17 and 18. The conditions under which the self is discovered are listed now. After intellectually understanding the nature of the world and the self, the understanding of the world through personal experiences lived, and the self through the words of the scriptures, through association with masters and through single pointed application, when one wants to experience the self and has a strong urge to do so, he decides to do so. His intellect gets absorbed in that, considers the self as that, gets established in that, and with that as the supreme goal, he goes there from where there is no return, by washing away all the sins by knowledge. Since the cause, ignorance, has been removed, the effect, ego, cannot remain. That self-realization is the final experience in the journey of evolution along with God realization, and thereafter to be the supreme. Shloka 18. How the ego, after living for long in its self-created world of finitude and imperfections, comes to remove the ignorance of the self by knowledge, has been explained. What is the vision of truth is explained now. The wise sage now sees divinity everywhere, as his vision is now immediate. All mediation due to the vasanas has been removed by karma yoga and meditation. He has discovered and recognized the self, which is the self of all. His vision has shifted from the names and forms of the substance on which they were appearing. His vision is on the life in all, which is the same everywhere. Instead of seeing the shape of the pot, he now sees the clay of which it is made and is the same in all pots. This is the proof of realization. Endowed with learning and humility, the sages took look equally at a Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and even an outcast, because they see the self on all, stripped of all matter coverings. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.